Alright, so this is a generated video of a guy that looked like Declan Rice serving Real Madrid with rice. Arsenal beat Real Madrid in UEFA Champions League quarterfinal, and I generated a video like this. So today I'll be showing you how you can go about this as well. So let's dive in. So you go to your Chrome and you type hailuo AI. hailuo AI. Alright, so please, if you're new on this channel, my name is Dami Sachs, and here on this channel I teach how to teach AI, I teach music, I do a lot of wonderful things. Please don't forget to subscribe. You want to be subscribing to this channel. So please try and subscribe, like, and if you have any question, drop it on the comment section. Alright, so when you open the hailuo AI, this is how it's going to look like. You can see this is how it's going to look like. So you register. Alright, I've already registered. So but you register with your email, and preferably we can use any email of your choice. So after registering, you'll be given 100 coins every day. So if you want to generate any video, any text to image, any 3D animation, any short video, you can use your 100 coin. So okay, I think the network is a bit not stable here. So alright, so I'll just go to the downloaded app. I have the app already, but you can use it directly from uh your browser. So this is the downloaded app I have already registered already with my email. So you click on the plus button or any side, you can see text to image, you can see video to image, and you can see subject reference as well. So you can text your command or you generate your prompt to image. Okay, since you're not using image to video now, so let's say text to video rather, text to video. So you click or you give the command of what you want the video to look like. Okay, so you can say generate a snap player, okay, playing against Real Madrid on the football pitch. So you can just come up with your own prompt. Your own can be generate what is it called, a snap player serving Real Madrid rice. So that is how you give your command, and any command you give it, you click 30 coin for it to generate. I've already exhausted my 30 coin today. I've used it 3 times, so I'm left with 10 coin. So if I need more to generate, I will have to pay for it. So you can see how it looks like. So this is how you can generate your video for free. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. The name of the AI is hailuo AI. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.